The iPhone 15 models are said to remove the Lightning connection in favor of the more widely used USB-C connector. However, according to Apple prototype expert Casekoo, color-coordinated braided USB-C cords will be included with the upcoming smartphones, as the Lightning port is showing its age in terms of both power and data transfer speeds after a decade. However, it is possible that the EU's most recent mandate, which mandates all smartphones sold in member countries to include USB-C connections by the end of 2024, had a factor in the decision. The supply of color-match rated Type-C cables for iPhone 15 series models, first reported by Twitter user Majin View, was quickly verified by Casekoo, a collector of Apple product prototypes. The black models should be the way to go for anybody who wants a fully black connection. A thorough analysis of a photograph given by a tipster reveals that the cable includes glossy white plastic connectors coupled to black cables. The color-matched cables are supposed to have a plastic shell on both ends and stream relief tubes, but Crummers heard from Casekoo that a variety of interesting colors would also be available for the new cables, and cables of the iPhone 15 series are believed to be 50% longer. Meanwhile, Apple is expected to announce the iPhone 15 series on Tuesday, September 12, with pre-orders for the new models beginning on September 22. However, a new report suggests that the high-end model may be delayed by a few weeks to October, as reported by 9to5Mac. According to the story, which cites an equities analyst's note, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will have a periscope camera, and Apple supplier Sony will be unable to provide the image sensor in time for the other iPhone 15 models to ship. Based on this, the iPhone 15 Pro Max may be delivered between October 6 and October 13. But you don't have to wait much longer for the formal unveiling of the next generation iPhones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.